time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home.
Don't put up all at all at all.
I'm coming home.
If guys, I want to wash my hair, but I'm afraid it really won't wash. It's been 2 months literally since I haven't washed my hair. You can't see me start put it up, but it's not cute. I'm afraid me start cough again. God no. Like I want to so bad. Like, but I'm afraid I cough. God can know. Like, I never know say. I'm afraid I cough. God no. God see I know. Afraid I. But happy Friday, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My appetite I come back, guys. Hunger kill me. So I take it time. I eat off what I bring yesterday. Never eat it off today. But you know, little progress and so. And sure no my ear look coming on. 4 weeks no my ear in a row. See that? You want to watch me afraid. Afraid. God no. Not even. I'm gonna try chance it tomorrow. Maybe. Guys, me say God know me no know me that do it, me start cough again. Me no know me that do. Me tell you the honest truth, me no know. Anyway, Christmas tree is still up. The light them still up on it. So at some point I'm gonna take it down. Whenever I feel like it. Some point. Oh God. How was your week? That shirt. Anyway. I wish my family there. You know? It's that warm up the class one. I just wish them there. Anyway, I'm gonna pick something to eat. Maybe. When I think if I eat fish too much day in a rain, I eat fish today Monday. But also eat fish Tuesday, Wednesday, and yesterday. That's all? No, me eat it Monday too now. I don't know. But I don't think I eat fish so much days in a row. You know, say you can get mercury on them someday. But I don't feel that. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna try to find something to eat, and then I'm going to put on. What am I put it on right now? Ghost Whisperer. The more that time watch that series, they're over from scratch. No funny. Do funny. But it's a classic. Anyway, talk to you later. Good morning, happy Saturday. I finally got my lazy butt up out of the bed and I just had an idea. It's kind of something that I've been flirting with for a while, but kind of like I started to try it on YouTube and then sorry, I still have mucus that comes down sometimes and it's anyway, never mind. French. I have been flirting with the idea of learning French for literally years. And one and two time I'll start out with YouTube videos, but they always end in disaster. By the end of the video, I just feel tired and exhausted and just uninterested and stupid, quite frankly. So I have a friend who is bilingual who keeps mentioning Duolingo. And so the thought came back to me this morning. Wait, let me see if we can put some up another. I'll put some in there. Another ring light. Come on at me. Alright, there we go. Okay. So alright, what was I saying? Okay, so I wanted to learn French for a couple of years. And I haven't I've tried a couple of YouTube videos a couple of times. It always turned out to be a false start. I always feel tired. I never really get it. I feel stupid a little bit. So I've always wanted to learn, but I was like, oh gosh, it seemed like it's a little out of reach. But the reason why I've been wanting to learn French is because I know that Canada is a bilingual country in English and in French. And in being here, you learn to appreciate that, because communications, when it coming from the government or, just other important sources, typically are in both English and French. So even though here in Saskatchewan, the government tends to communicate mostly in English, there's still a penchant for French because Canada itself is a bilingual country. Sorry. And so compared to, other provinces like maybe, Quebec is a French province. So in comparison to Quebec and Ontario, communications from, government sources and just, important sources around Saskatchewan aren't as strict with their bilingual communication as they are elsewhere. However, being in communications, you learn to appreciate the fact that, being able to communicate bilingually is an asset. In fact, when I was job hunting in Toronto, 9 out of every 10 comms jobs required bilingualism in English and French as a mandatory skill. And that was really hard to kind of sift through as a person. And specifically if you're it's that way in Toronto, where you might be able to find something that maybe there's one or two things that will say, hey, bilingualism is an asset, but if you don't have it, we're not kill you. Versus maybe somewhere like Ottawa, where that's the capital, that's where government is, bilingualism is most definitely something that you need to have. And so the more that I'm here and the more that I think about it, it would be an asset to my career in communications to be bilingual. So I downloaded Duolingo. My friend kept suggesting it and I didn't. but now I have, and I've started. And it's going good. I like it. I mean, it's a little cartoony, but what I like is you see it, you hear it, and you have time to kind of try figure it out. Like when you see the questions, it kind of helps you figure it out, and I'm liking that. I think I can learn to at least become a basic speaker using this app. And so I've decided that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find post-its. I should have some around. I'm gonna find some post-its. I'm gonna label items around the house in French to help me just communicate on the daily, you know, while using the app. And I think that that will be beneficial, and it will be a good use of my time and my focus, so that I don't end up bawling my eyes out every day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to wash my hair. I'm so scared. I have my hair pull out and I'm so scared. You see? I know the light's not great, but I am so scared. So scared. But I think I should get on it. It's midday. Well, it's 11. So I think that I should get on it if I'm going to wet it up today and see how it go. And I'm not gonna go outside until tomorrow. I need to go get some water and maybe some meat, because all I've got is fish. So water and some meat I need. And so I was thinking of making a quick trip to Costco, because I like the water at Costco. So yeah, that's my Saturday morning, and I'm gonna go do laundry. I'm gonna put some laundry in and make some coffee and dig out some post-its. All right. Happy Sunday morning. Laundry is done. So happy Sunday morning. I'm about to go to Costco. I need some water and I need some meat. And I think I'm gonna just stop at Superstore as well. I washed my hair yesterday, and I was so scared. I wake up this morning and I cough. But luckily it wasn't anything too strenuous. But see, twist it up and it shrink up. Got the back. Shrink right up, but that's okay. Whenever I go out, I'm wearing a toque, a cap anyway, all day long most days. So it doesn't really matter. It's just, you know, it's a protective style, and we can go and comb my hair like little bit because my husband are there. I'm gonna look at someone. Where's my scarf? At some point in life, I need to buy a I'm calling some the way I put clothes in a chest of drawers. Did not buy one of those, and I want to see one little one. Look for this work right now because I'm about to go. So I'm just gonna tie up my hair, and then I'm gonna put on my hat. Catching right this. Starting to get hot already. Tie up my hair to protect it from back and forth of the hat being on and off. And tie up my hair to protect it from back and forth of the hat being on and off. And I guess an additional layer of warmth when I put the hat on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my stuff. Doing multiple things at once, so I'm gonna go out now. I'll leave that, but yeah, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Did I put my list together already? I don't think I did. Guys, what I do is so expensive now that I have to make sure say my list is together. Look at this cute little bag I got at Giant Tiger for like $10 or something like that. Cute, eh? Can it hold my purse? That's all. Pretty much. And my hat's on. Now we're gonna go. It's not too bad. Seems to have snowed a little last night. It's better than the freezing rain that was predicted, but yeah. gonna go now. So I'm in Costco and I am headed for water, which is the primary reason I came here. Do this quickly because I noticed I've already started to cough more than when I'm inside. So let's try to do this quickly. And I'm tired because I spent the morning, doing chores. So I'm already tired, to be honest. So I'm not looking to drag it out. Okay, so this is it, Kirkland. It's the water I prefer. I don't know, it tastes good. So I'm gonna try and get 2 cases. So a case is $4.69. I can't believe this. Look at this. $4.69. My gosh, water used to be for $2. Like a year ago, when I was buying water, I get it for $2. Food prices are whack. But need bleach. See if I can get some bleach. That's it. No, me not dog food. Look at this. They ain't got no bleach. That seems like something you ought to have, Costco. Bleach? No. Listen, so guess that's gonna be Superstore buy. It's not like I need a lot anyway. So I got 2 cases of water so that I don't have to come back before the end of the month. I go through water quite a bit. It's just your throat's always dry, and I could drink a bottle or 2 bottles every night. So I keep them by the bed. So lots of water. Ooh. And these cases have 40 in them, as opposed to the is it 24 or so? I think the one is at the regular supermarket. So that's why it's worth the trip to come get the water. And anything else, I buy toilet paper here too, but I don't need any. Let's see what the meat section looks like. $42 for 3 chickens. There's 3 chickens in here. It's got 5.6 kg. 1 kg is 2.2 pounds. So that's at least 10 pounds of chicken for $42. My God. These are thighs that I generally. Jesus Christ. Woo. Come on now. Seriously? Ooh. It's well packed though. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's another packet of 3 whole chickens for 30 something. They're way less, but it's dry chicken, little bits. $8 off per package. Seriously, at this point, I should just get one. Because it's so ridiculous. And just one thing I'm gonna always eat is chicken, so. Oh. Am I really out? It's scale already. Do I really want fish? Tilapia farmed. Man. Seriously? Let's leave that one alone, I think. Just salmon 56. Wait, am I? Sea bass. We'll see that. Not me. And then there is some fish fillet. Oh my god. Anyway. I think maybe I should take this just so I can have some variety. Oh my god, I just spent how much money that $50 on meat. I shouldn't be buying any meat for a while. Muffins. Or maybe I want this one. Chocolate chip. Okay. I'll get one of these. Okay, that's it. I'm going. I'm done. My bill came to $97. Can you see? $97.20. At least I got meat forever. And I got a free. The muffins were 2 for $1. So I got an extra thing. I think I'll just take to work. So, do you see that? There's a fog advisory. You can't really see anything past a certain distance. Well, that's not gonna help you. But the point is, it started to snow. So now I'm just gonna hurry up and go to Superstore and go home. I've started to cough a little bit. My thing is freezing up. Don't want my lip to get busted, but I'll see you then. Look at that. Okay, how do I get there? Alright, because push myself, I'm getting these potatoes. Why? As you can see, it's much more in this bag, and this bag, and this bag can go back. So, shopping smart. See? Anyway, just one bag. Alright, so. Okay, so I've consulted my little list, and the other things on there are butter, bacon, juice, and waffles. Yeah. So let's go find those. We found our bleach. $4.29. My God. Splashless. What that mean? Why is it pink? Wild blossom. The bleach of scent. Alright, make us see what can go on. Okay. Moving on down. $2.29. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Some quick breakfast thing to chew in my thing. Maybe get one of these too. But anyway. So this is the butter I use. How much is it here? Why is there no price? This is suspicious. Basil March Tub Soft, 100 grams. Is this the 100 grams? No. No, 427 grams. That's this for $4. How much would it be going? Because it'll last me much, much longer. I use it to cook in everything. Seriously? All these are $6.99, so I'm going to assume that this one is $6.99 because the only thing is that it's not flavored. So we've got butter on the list. What else was there? There was juice. Okay, let's go look for juice. Okay, this is just the juice that I like. So we're gonna just get two. And what else is on my list? I think bacon and something else. Ooh, the crabs are alive. Let's go look. I can't eat shellfish, by the way, but the crabs are alive. Talk about fresh crab. Whoa. 14 them. That's how we find them there for come. Somebody jot them now and put a boiling water. Look at that. It's $40 a pound. Wow, okay. Alright. Fresh crab. And we're getting some. This one's open. But waffles. Thick. Those for $3.79. Okay. So we got some chocolate Cheerios for $2.75. Two for $7, but I don't need two, so yeah. And that's that. And that, my friend, completes the list. Out to check we go. Ba-da-da-dum. So this is it, y'all. My little potatoes, butter, some cantaloupe, some bacon, that, some string beans, some that. I bought a lot of I don't know, breakfast snackish items because the whole appetite thing, it allows me to eat in smaller portions and you know, throw some things in my lunch bag to carry that work instead of trying to put a whole plate of food where now we get to eat or something like that. So alright, see you when I get home. So I'm back and I need to figure out to eat something, but I gotta rest first. Cough is coming on a little bit, but you know, where's the dang net bill? So here it is, Superstore. The bill came into $92. So within budget. Good. And I hope this needs to last me like 2 weeks. I've got more than enough meat. Quite a bit of potatoes, which I go through pretty hard. And then hopefully by me picking around other stuff, it'll work. And I don't have to go out. I'm hungry, you know, but after I got onto the road, I remember something if I eat, I did say I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna try eat something before I live. But I forgot. And now I feel like I'm looking over. But this is where I'm gonna close out the vlog for this weekend. Yay, I think I've got a full vlog. Let me see if I can get it so I know. We'll see. Hope you all have a good and productive week. See you soon.